Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's video I am working on the 8th spread of my Magical Shit zine project. It started off as my Inktober 2020 project, as most of you know, but if you're new here, I just kind of wanted to update you. This started off as an Inktober project, and now it seems to be going to be continuing until the end of the year because I'm super slow. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave it there. So anyway, I am back. I have been gone for probably about a week and a half, and I started vlogging, and I'm experimenting with different ways to kind of film these videos so it's not as dull. Not that this video is dull or the art's dull, but I don't like repetitive things. So the next one is going to be a little different. I'm going to be filming it a little different, so hopefully it comes out well. I had also started the vlog, like I was saying, so there'll be some different content for you guys to kind of get through this zine making project with me. I have to say that it's a little harder for me to work on this project now, just because everybody's kind of like getting in the Christmas spirit and putting up their Christmas trees and stuff, and I feel like I'm just still stuck in October, which I don't mind because I like oh my god, words. I like October quite a bit, and it's still fall-y here. It's actually 60 degrees where we are today, so it was actually a really nice day, and I was able to get motivated to finish this 8th spread. I have 2 more that I have transferred already to the watercolor paper, so like I said, I'm going to be experimenting a little bit with the filming, just for some variety in this magical shit playlist, just so you guys aren't bored, and I'd like to make some of them a little longer, and we'll just kind of see how it goes. If you have any suggestions, I should say, with the content that you'd like to see. I know I've been watching a lot of vlogs lately, and I think it's just because they're longer format, and I really like to put something on while I'm in the background working. In my mind, the playlist would have done that for you guys, so I don't know. I guess I'm just like a ball of confusion, so definitely let me know what you think. I also got some samples from the printer that I'm going to be using, so I'm really excited about that, and I can't wait to see how this is going to actually look in a zine format. So I'm really excited about that. Working on the limited edition part of these zines, and I'm not going to show you guys what that is yet, just because it's not quite ready. And I'm also thinking of the prize packs and what I want to put in there. So if you have any suggestions for like the kind of things that you would want, like I'm not sure if I should make a special edition bookmark. I know I'm going to do some stickers. I'm assuming I'm just going to pick my favorites and just turn them into stickers to go with the prize packs. I don't know. I'm very excited, and there's a lot of ideas flying at my head, and like it's hard to sleep and stuff at night now because I'm getting really excited the closer it gets to being finished. So pardon the dog in the background. Anyway, here are some close-ups. I'm back. I missed you guys. I hope you missed me too. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section to be entered in the giveaway, because there will be 3 winners, and it is going to be open worldwide. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.